Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chad. I'm your tall tailor. Today we're not going to have one of our structured beginning, middle, end videos. We're going to be making a dress today. As you can see, I already started on it. I'm doing a lot of draping. You can see there's a lot of pleats on the bodice here. The back of our lovely is bare because I actually already made those pieces and I took them off. So I kind of want to just show you guys the process and exactly what my sort of thought process is when I make, dresses and stuff like this. This one's for one of my friends. It's gonna be nice. We got the fabric. Yeah, I'm just gonna go show you guys pretty much my process, and every once in a while I'll hop back in and just explain what I'm doing in a little bit more detail. All right, so let's just go over what I'm doing in this step right here. Right now we have a bust of our dress, and you can see I marked off all of our pleats, some marker here just so I can remember where they are. We kind of want to make the midsection of the dress look a little bit more fuller. That's where we're adding pleats. They're all facing down. Also, when I mark this off and I cut it off, I'm also going to be doing the exact same thing for, you can kind of see this bust here. I'm just going to be refining the shape a little bit more to match this one. Also, we got to reduce the angle of the bust over here as well. Then we're going to be fixing the bottom here, the bottom part of the dress, and then we're going to be doing the same thing with the back. So you can see the parts of the back I have here, and this is for the top. This is for the top here, and that one is for the bottom here. Alright, thank you for going on this little tiny sewing journey with me. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys all the steps on making this dress. Just didn't I didn't film it. Sometimes when I'm in the mood and doing stuff, kind of tend to not bust out the camera. I just kind of want to get it finished. But this is what the dress looks like. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too small to fit on the mannequin. These two measurements are a little bit smaller, and this is the only mannequin I have. This is what the dress looks like. There are a lot of pleats and ruffles on the top, and the bottom is a little bit more simpler, flowy kind of design. I don't know if you can see it very well. There's a slit on the side, a little bit of a lower slit. The back's also pretty plain. But yeah, this is generally how I do stuff whenever I sew dresses or anything in general. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I will definitely have more women's wear stuff on this channel. All right, bye.